Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise the last lesson, The Wish. I hope you all have remembered the story of Partha. Is it? Yes. He was a caring boy. At last he changed his character. Last he have not looked after the kitten of the black cat. Is it? So the black cat has taken his son and went away. So now we are moving to the question answers. All of you take your copy. We can go through the question answers. What is the first question of this lesson? Who lived in a bigger house? Partha or Minni? Who lived in the bigger house? Yes, Minni lived in the bigger house. Is it? Partha lived in a small house. Look at the second question. Where did Minni go in the holidays? Where did she go in the holidays? Yes. Minni visited lots of existing places in the holidays. He was moving around all the places, Germany, Japan, many other places in the holidays, isn't it? Yes. Look at the third question, my dear students. Why do you think the kitten drank so much of milk? The kitten drank so much of milk because it was hungry. The kitten was so hungry, so it drank so much milk. Look at the fourth. What strange thing happened that night? Partha saw a black cat near the bed. Is it? Yes. A black cat talked to Partha that night. Fifth question. Why did the black cat grant Partha a wish every year? Why the black cat gave Partha a wish? The black cat granted Partha a wish every year because he was looking her son. He was looking after her son. So he granted a wish to Partha. Look at the sixth question. Why was the black cat pleased with Partha's first wish? The black cat was pleased because Partha has wished a good house for him. He needed a good house. Is it? That was his first wish. Isn't it? Yes. Look at the next question. In what ways did Partha change? What is the change that happened to Partha? Partha became angry and jealous. He stopped looking after the kitten. He also stopped caring for others. Okay, look at the next eighth question. Why was the black cat sad when he visited Partha again? The next time when he visited, Partha has changed, isn't it? So the black cat was sad. Look at the answer now. The black cat was sad because Partha had become selfish and uncaring. He stopped looking after the kitten. Is it? Yes. Look at the ninth question. What was Partha's third wish? What was the third wish of Partha? Yes. Partha's third wish was to speak a language that nobody else could speak. He needs to speak a new language. Look at the last 10th question. Why nobody understood Partha for a long time? Why? Because he is talking something else which no one understood. Is it? Nobody could understand Partha because nobody spoke the language he was talking in. Okay, dear students, learn all the 10 question answers. Now look at the next exercise. Each word end with A-I-N. What is the word? You have to find out the word ending with A-I-N. Look at the first one. It is long and carries a lot of passengers. What it is? Yes, it is train. It falls on us, sometimes gently, sometimes early. It is rain. Dear students, learn this exercise also. Okay? And dear students, you have to learn the word and the word meanings. Okay? There are few words and its meaning. And you can go through the lesson once again, read the lesson once again, and identify the new words and learn its spelling. I hope you all are ready for the exam, isn't it, dear students? All of you go through all the lessons once again and revise all the lessons exercises once again. Thank you.